Kindness is a great virtue, O brothers. Even though I am a donkey, there is something in my heart that many of you do not notice. That is kindness. Since childhood, I have seen that when I could not eat, an old shepherd would pat my head and say, "Donkey, even if you do not get food, do not hurt anyone. Be kind, only then will your mind find peace." Since then, I have learned, even if my stomach is empty, if I see someone else asking for my food, I share it. Oh, when someone else is satisfied by eating what I have given, then my heart is filled with joy. But alas, the world does not understand me. Everyone thinks that I am stupid, that kindness hurts. But do you know what real stupidity is? Without kindness, turning your own heart into stone. That is why I say, brother, being kind means becoming the king of the mind. Donkey brother, how my heart trembled when I heard you. I am a fox. Everyone thinks I am clever, cunning, and just dodging things when they hear my name. But to tell the truth, there is a side to me that no one sees. Do you know what happened one day? A little bird fell from its nest. My teeth watered. I thought I would eat it. But suddenly, when I saw it crying and flapping its wings, my heart trembled. I quietly picked it up and put it back in the house. Then I thought, ah, fox, you are not naughty today, you are a real hero today. People think that kindness causes harm, but the real harm is not kindness. The joy that kindness gives is not in the fox's smile, nor in the taste of meat. Do you understand? That is why I say, kindness is the name of real intelligence. Roar! I am the king of the forest, the tiger. Everyone thinks I am just violent, bloodthirsty, but there is an ocean of kindness inside my chest, which no one believes. I admit, I hunt, but do you know what happened one day? A mother deer was running, with a small calf behind. I was about to jump, but the sound of the calf's cry penetrated my chest. I stopped. Then it occurred to me, becoming a king is not by the strength of my teeth, but by the strength of my heart's kindness. The day I show kindness, I feel the strongest on that day. Because it takes courage to be kind, it takes a big heart to be kind. Violence is possible for everyone, but only real heroes can be kind.
अरे भाइयों, आपकी बातें सुनकर मेरी आंखों में आंसू आ गए। मैं एक बकरी हूँ, मेरा जीवन भी आसान नहीं है। सब मुझे खाना खिलाते हैं, लेकिन क्या आप जानते हैं कि मैं क्या करता हूँ? मैं रोज पेड़ के पत्ते खाता हूँ, लेकिन पूरा पेड़ नहीं खाता, क्योंकि मुझे पता है कि अगर पेड़ मर गया, तो कल मेरे पास खाने को कुछ नहीं बचेगा। यही दया है। दया सिर्फ इंसानों के प्रति नहीं, जानवरों के प्रति नहीं, हमें प्रकृति के प्रति भी दयालु होना चाहिए। पेड़, पानी, हवा, इन्हें बचाकर ही हम जीते हैं। अगर आप दया नहीं दिखाएंगे, तो जंगल नहीं रहेगा, नदी सूख जाएगी, आसमान अंधेरा हो जाएगा, फिर बाघ की दहाड़ व्यर्थ सुनाई देगी, लोमड़ी की बुद्धि बेकार हो जाएगी, गधे की दया किसी तक नहीं पहुँचेगी। इसलिए दया ही जीवन है। दयालु होने से कोई छोटा नहीं बनता, बल्कि हृदय बड़ा होता है। दया एक महान गुण है। अगर यह गुण मौजूद हो, तो दुनिया प्रकाशित हो जाती है।